So I've got the medium-sized bag here, and I've got 5 different t-shirts stacked up in each other, not folded particularly well, but hey, that's what you do when you're traveling. So I'm going to open up the bag. Again, it has double zippers on it, just like a 2-ply sandwich bag, so you have that extra level of confidence that it's going to stay closed. So let me just put these in here like I am eagerly packing to get out of town, and I have not left myself enough time, which I am usually in the position of doing when I'm packing and thinking through things at the last minute. So I have these stacked, and what I do is I push them all the way to the end of the bag. I have a lot more space in here that I could put more in, and this is just a medium size, but I could also just do this and fold it up, which I'll do for this demonstration here. I will point out that this is not, it might seem like a plastic sandwich bag with this, but this is tough plastic. This is not going to rip and tear too easily. I like the heaviness of this plastic, that I don't have to worry about it. Just the slightest little misstep is going to rip it, and then you're sunk and that whole bag is gone. We turn this around, and I will go through my due diligence of making sure that these little ridges close up and that the bag is completely closed with both of these together. Again, I've got my bag of backup clips here if I want. I feel fine without them. So completely closed. You can see we got plenty of air in it at this point. So I just turn this little milk jug type lid off, and then I have my really compact little vacuum here that's all charged up and ready to go. And I just make sure that the this is completely covered here. A little bit of a clear plastic rim there. You can't really see that too well, but I'm making sure that this is inside that. So press down, and then I just hit power. Takes no time at all seeing this start to work and seeing to pull all the air down. Look at how this is already shrinking, really taking the air out of this, making this compress, which is the goal. So what, this has been about 10 seconds. So I'll turn this off, I'll lift this off, and then I'll just screw this little milk jug lid back on it, because that's just making a double security that the air is not going to come out of there. This is on nice and tight. And so this is a huge difference from the stack that I started out with. So I'm just wrapping that bottom of that bag underneath, and I have saved myself a ton of space in my moving box, in my suitcase, and whatever sort of thing that I had a big stack of shirts, and now they are compressed and ready to pack and not take up a whole lot of space. Taking them out is obviously no problem. All I'm doing is opening up the sandwich bag sort of thing. So let me just pull this open here. And the air comes back in. No problem. Everything is right back the way that you put it in originally. The big bulky hoodie, and this is a big piece. Now I would have plenty of room in this medium-sized bag for multiples of these, but just so I can show you, let me try to fold it up like a normal person here, and fold it and tuck that hood in the back, and then I'm going to slide it right in the bag, and you can see how big this is going into it. So same process. I'm going to slide this into the bag. I don't have to worry about ripping it because I've got a nice tough bag to deal with, which I really like. So I'm going to push this down to the end. It's flat as you can make it when you're putting it in the bag is the best, because then you don't have the big bulges that come up as it compresses down. And, you know, I'm not taking the time to really make this as perfect as I could be for the sake of just showing you how this works. But that is a good practice to handle. So I'm going to just seal up my sandwich bag here, making sure both ridges are completely filled. I don't have to worry about pressing air or anything out of it now, because that's what the vacuum sealer job has done. So due diligence, it's totally sealed here. So I'm unscrewing the milk jar lid, getting my little handy dandy vacuum, pressing it down around the ridge, and hitting power. So take a look at how big we're starting out with. Taking the air out of the bag and really pulling this hoodie down into a much more manageable size. This is awesome. And look how far this is going down. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. Mainly because my suitcase loves it so much. So it's on about 10 seconds. Turn that off, pull it right off, and screw on my milk jar lid here. And I have saved a ton of space. This is completely flat. and will go in my suitcase with the greatest of ease. And I'm taking this along to make sure that as I'm ready to come home and I don't want to leave and I have to pack up and, oh, I have this with me, I can repeat the exact same process coming home. Before, I didn't have bags that I could take a cordless vacuum with me. Now, I will say, if you want to use a vacuum cleaner, like a home vacuum cleaner that has the attachment that would work on this, you can, and it would work fine. But you never know if you're going to an Airbnb, whether the vacuum would work like that, or you're going to a hotel, probably doesn't have that sort of thing. This solves the problem. This takes up hardly any space in your suitcase, and you can repeat this entire wonderful process on the way home, making sure that you've got these clothes all compressed down. You're saving so much space, all because you got a good quality plastic bag here and just a handy little vacuum. My other piece of advice is don't put these in a hot attic when you're storing them because, you know, it's just a plastic bag and it will melt. I learned that the hard way and had some melt, but I went back and got more because I don't want to be without these anymore as I'm traveling. This is the key to having a suitcase that works so you can put some of these big bulky clothes in and it's totally taken care of. So I really recommend these for your traveling adventures. I think you're going to love the fact that your suitcase is so much easier to pack when you've got it compressed down and you know you can do it on the way home without a problem with this little vacuum. I really recommend.